Hey guys, it's Kaylee from the Jocelyn Kaylee Show, and today I am going to be opening some LOL stuff. This lip balm, some LOL lip balm, and LOL Suprise. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this one to the side and open this one. So we're going to start with the tip. There you go. So excited. Ay. Oh, I got this one. So this is the secret message. It says, rock the beat. Like this. So rock. Rock. Right. Let's continue. And this is the other zip that we're supposed to do. Right. I see it. Ugh. This is hard. Right. There you go, I got it. And there's something. Hey. It's fine. Take that. Big wrapper. See, so she could twinkle, spit, cry, or pee. Right? So twinkle, spit, cry, and pee. Let's continue opening this then. Look at this. I bet she would love to sing. Right. Spin the wheel. I didn't really spin it, but right? We got our first one. The handbook. Our first one. Ooh, we got sunglasses. Some red, nice sunglasses. Right? The next one. And ooh. There you go. That's kind of hard. So we got these little shoes. Fell. Now let's go. No, that's moving that one. Let's go to this one. Alright, this one here. And spread open. Right? Oh, we got this bottle. It's so cute. It's all yellow and black. Right, next one is this one. This one's this one. Oh, that's so cute. Wait, just take out this plastic. So cute. It says baby. there's no more, so it's time to open.
The inside?
Yep. It's time to open it. And here's the checklist.
And look at all this confetti.
Yeah, all the confetti. So these are the things that we could get. No, we're not gonna get him. So we could get I think the Lipbaim we can't get, so I could get that one, that one, that one. These ones. Practically anything on this checklist. So let's open the final one. I'm so excited.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it?
But wait! First, we have a challenge for you. I will see if you could subscribe to our channel and like this video in 7 seconds. Ready? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see what our surprise is. Wow, look at she. She looks so cute. She got like these little leggings. Let's see if she's on the checklist. I don't really see it anywhere, but we found it in the walk club section. This is how she looks like with her clothes and accessories on. Moving on to the next thing. So we got this Lipbaim. So let's open it, and plus there's a little surprise right there. It's kind of hard to open. They smell so good. So we got this one. It's marshmallow goofleaf. I don't know what it's called again.
Gourmet. I don't know.
Maybe.
French. I don't know. Okay, it's really cute. Blue.
And we got this one. Chocolate.
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 Oh, I think it just says in Spanish. Yeah, so it's a
Yeah.
chocolate one.
Probably they all
No,
like
it's just marshmallow.
This one is
Raspberry.
Green apple, and strawberry. Now it's time to open the surprise. Wow, look at this. You can like put it on your pencils.
Oh yeah, so we have some of these like in Star Wars.
Yeah, we have one in Star Wars. So cute.
Which one was your favorite? The LOL Big Surprise or the Liplaims and a Little Surprise?
I like the LOL because I love LOL so much. And yeah, love the clothes and they look so cute. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.